and welcome back. Heading to the Big Easy for a cruise or to explore this vibrant city? Well, stay tuned for a tour of the Hilton, New Orleans Riverside, arguably the best hotel in the city. The Hilton New Orleans Riverside is an impressive 29-story hotel, which towers at 341 feet, making it the largest hotel in the city. And there's 1,700 guest rooms here. Here's the River Blends Cafe, which is located on the second floor. This cafe is open daily from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. And it's a great spot to grab a quick bite. You can get breakfast, you can get your Starbucks coffee, there's snacks, even sandwiches here. During Mardi Gras season, this hotel was fully decorated in festive style. And of course, while I'm not sure how the hotel is decorated year-round, I would imagine that it features plenty of classic New Orleans style throughout. Also located on the second floor, you'll find Public Belt Bar and Lounge, which is the perfect spot for pre-dinner drinks or just relaxing. Each morning, Le Croissant offers a huge breakfast buffet, which did not disappoint. There's a huge variety, including king cake while we were there, and the chef can even prepare any omelet that you want. And here's all that jazz if you want to do a little shopping. Speaking of shopping, the Riverwalk outlets are actually connected to this hotel, making it super convenient and a shopping destination for you. These outlets actually overlook the Mississippi River, which is quite beautiful. And if you need any snack items or drink items, head over to Crescent City Marketplace, which is stocked with beer, wine, liquor, water, sodas, fruits, snacks, different coffee options. And then they're open from Wednesday to Sunday from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so on to check out the room. So we stayed in a premium 2-queen bed, which was located on the 24th floor, offering a really nice view of the Mississippi River. So during the time of our stay, which was end of February, during Mardi Gras season, the rate was around $370. And standard 2-queen beds started around $280. Now, the rates are generally lower during off-peak seasons, and they offer both Riverview and City View rooms. Our room was quite comfortable, and it looks like it had been recently renovated. The wallpaper was so beautiful with the light blue and the white. There was the walk-in shower with just nice, subtle art throughout, kind of a French country look. And of course, you have your desk area. There's a sofa, your 2-queen beds, your television, in-room coffee, and mini fridge. Okay, let's check out our view, and here you can see we have the Mississippi River. There is a daily resort fee here at this hotel, and at the time of this recording, it was $25 per day plus tax. This fee includes your premium Wi-Fi, a $10 dining credit, 2 bottles of water daily, and access to the hotel amenities. Additionally, there is a charge for parking. So at the time of this recording, It was $50 a day for self-parking or $58 for valet. And while that may seem high, you are in the perfect location in the city of New Orleans. They do offer cruise packages, which may include a lower parking fee for extended parking. The port itself is the 6th largest in the U.S. and serves as a home port to major cruise lines such as Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, and there's even some seasonal sailings with Disney and other cruise lines. The Spirits Lounge, open daily from 11 a.m. to midnight, offers light bites and a wide variety of cocktails, wines, and beers. This truly is the perfect pre- or post-cruise hotel, since it is literally steps away from the port of New Orleans, and the hotel provides cruise packages, like I mentioned earlier, that feature discounted long-term parking and also breakfast. Other hotel highlights include 2 outdoor heated pools, one with views of the Mississippi River. There is also a Avis budget car rental desk located right on the first floor, and it connects to the outlet mall. Here you'll see there's also conference space. Additionally, you will find indoor pickleball, 6 dining options, which were all wonderful. And this location felt very safe and was super convenient. And just about a 5-minute walk to the cruise port. And you'll also enjoy a scenic stroll along the river at the Riverwalk, the French Quarter, the World War II Museum, and Caesars Casino are all within a 5 to 10 minute walk as well. For more information about this hotel or how to connect and plan your next trip, be sure to scan the QR code on the next slide. This hotel puts you so close to all the major attractions here. Just in the backyard of this hotel is as we mentioned before, the Mississippi River. So you can actually take a ride on the Creole Queen, which is a scenic cruise that highlights the French Quarter and the port of New Orleans. If you're planning a visit to New Orleans or a cruise from the port of New Orleans, this is the perfect hotel for you. As an authorized travel planner, I would love to help you plan your trip to this wonderful city and or a cruise from this wonderful city. And if you're interested in getting started, all my contact information will be in the comments below. And I hope that you will consider subscribing to the channel. And if you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Thanks for watching.